Hello and welcome to GameDevSaga. My name is Joshua Kinney and I'm a solo game developer at Death Cloud Games where I'm working on my game, The Sky Refuses. I'm also an educator with nearly 20 years in the industry. I've worked with and for companies like Unity Technologies, Apple, Meta, Pixar, NASA, Gameloft, Niantic, Sony Interactive, and Digital Tutor / Pluralsight where I began my saga. Now, throughout my saga, I've come to understand the serious challenges of making games, and that's why I created GameDevSaga, a place where developers like you can find support, encouragement, and resources that you need to discover personal freedom for yourself. Now, I truly appreciate you giving GameDevSaga a try. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your craft, I'm grateful to have the chance to support you in your saga. So, through tutorials, challenges, and a growing community, let's bring your game ideas to life and create something that's meaningful and something that you're proud of. So with that, I'll see you in there.